As you guys know, we have a channel membership which is live on our channel. So do you want this membership actually? And what does it mean? I'll explain it in 3 simple ways. First of all, you get access to the member only videos. Now, if you are a channel member, these are the videos which I have already uploaded on this channel, but there are a few more which is under progress, which will be uploaded in a day or 2. These are very beginner only videos which are available on the internet, and when you see these, you basically get a kickstart on your credit card journey. These includes how to achieve your milestones, how to get cashbacks on credit card bill payments, including everything else, which is generally a once or twice or thrice a month video depending on the availability of these kind of things. Apart from this, one more important aspect of this video is the WhatsApp group access. Now this WhatsApp group has a total of 5 groups, subgroups. First is the Professor Cardz members super secret group. This is the group where I am most active in. Whenever you need a clarification or doubt, you just tag me and we try to clarify it out along with the other members and the mods. Apart from that, there are a few subgroups such as Amex chat, Access and HDFC chat, redemption stories and voucher trade-off. Out of these, Amex chat is basically anything related to Amex, HDFC and Access is related to HDFC and Access. Redemption stories is basically all the members sharing their redemption stories for their credit cards. And we have just launched a vouchers trade-off group, which basically means, it doesn't mean selling and trading off. It is basically means I'll be posting 4 to 5 deals per day as per the availability of vouchers from the members, and it is absolutely free. I don't take any charge out of it. The deals will be posted there for 24 hours and then they will be deleted. It is a one-time thing. Like if you are a member, you want to sell a few of your vouchers, you DM me and I'll just post it. There is no charges per se. However, the responsibility lies with the buyers and sellers. The group or the admin does not have any responsibility towards. Apart from this, there is a 15-minute of chat window with me. Basically, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. There is no time limitation per se. On chat, I am available. However, basically, if you feel that the process of taking a YouTube membership is cumbersome, we do have direct payments as well, because YouTube doesn't allow you to take long-term memberships. And this is it. There are no buying and selling of points. There is no hacks. There are no other things. We just are a beginners group. We just talk to each other. That is the only difference with this group and others you have been a part of. Apart from that, it is not actually really necessary to be a part of this group, because this is something where my experience comes into play along with the other members who are a current member of the YouTube channel. And it is absolutely not mandatory from my side. You can leave it anytime as well. There is no restrictions. If you are like, I will recommend, if you know about your credit cards, you should not be a part of this group, because then people will start asking you the questions and not me actually. So thanks a lot for being a member of this group. I hope you guys had fun. Take care. Bye bye. See you and Jai Hind.